Here we are, day 10 of the fermentation process. So we're going to measure the specific gravity. And if you can see right now, this fermentation's really starting to slow down. That's barely going at all now. So that's a real indication that we're getting near the end of the fermentation here. Okay, so we're going to measure the specific gravity on this and see what we have. Okay, we're at about 0.998. So we are getting close to being finished there.
Make a note in your notebook.
Yeah, like always, you should be recording these numbers in your notebook. So that one was 0.998. We're going to take a little bit of a quick break here while I clean the equipment to prevent any cross-contamination, and we're going to check the red wine next. Okay, here we are, we're back, and we're going to do the red wine, or red must here. And it almost really is red wine now. I'm just going to punch this bag down. You can see there's less and less CO2 in there all the time now.
It really smells fermented.
Yeah, it's almost smelling like finished wine now, like a very young wine. Mm-hmm. There's not a lot of residual sweetness left in there at this point. Sample here. So I'm thinking in another probably 2 days it'll be completely finished. Tomorrow should be just near the end of the fermentation now. And this one is at about 1.002. Okay, so that's about it for tonight, or today I should say. Dump that in there, get this cleaned up, put everything away. So if you're enjoying this video series, please click on the box there to see our whole video series, and subscribe to our channel and like the videos. Thank you for joining us.